Security and IP security. Among the most important security issues in networking is getting bits secretly and without modifications from the source to the destination, and in doing so, keeping unwanted bits outside the door. So one way this is tackled is through IP security. IP security is a group of protocols that are used to protect IP traffic between devices. This helps keep data sent over public networks secure and also offers confidentiality, data integrity, and a high degree of security. So in order to authenticate data packets and their integrity, IP security includes two protocols. These are the authentication header and the encapsulating security payload. Both protocols support two encapsulation modes. So the first of the modes is transport mode. The protocol field in the IP header is changed to show that the IP header follows the normal IP header. So that means that the IP header basically stays the same. The IP header includes the security information, mainly in the SA identifier, which is security authentication or association, new sequence number, and integrity check of the payload. So in the tunnel mode, the entire packet, including the header, is placed in the body of the new packet with a completely new IP header, so opposite to the transport mode. So tunnel mode is used when the tunnel ends at a location other than the final destination. Tunnel mode is also useful because it prevents an intruder from seeing who is sending how many packets and who's receiving them, and that can be very dangerous and very valuable information for an intruder. Next up is firewall. So firewalls are a network security device that acts as a packet filter. It inspects each and every incoming and outgoing packet based on established security policies formulated by the network administrator. So that could be an organization or a business. So packets are either forwarded normally or fail the test and are dropped. So we see in the image there is basically a wall that protects the server or an organization or a user from outside servers and the internet and intruders and whatnot. So some advantages of firewalls. One is monitoring traffic. So firewalls inspect each packet for any hazardous threats. If any are found, they will be immediately blocked. Better privacy. Hackers are constantly on the lookout for information. Of course, using a firewall can prevent many of the services offered by a site, such as a domain name service, to be blocked. Now on to some disadvantages. One of the main ones is cost. Hardware firewalls are much more expensive than the software firewalls. Hardware firewalls require installations and maintenance, which can be very costly. And you have people like IT employees doing that, so also paying a salary. Another big disadvantage is malware attacks. Firewalls have the capability to block basic types of Trojans, but it can be almost defenseless against other types of malwares.